Hello, Kev here from DataSights, and in this shortish video, we are going to download one of our shiny new Power BI Xero Consolidation report templates and show you how to connect it to your data. So this is just off of demo data, so please don't think that your data is magically going to come in here. Obviously, data going into Power BI, Excel, and to our new reports section in the platform. That's the places your data can go, and to Google Sheets as well. But for now, Power BI template populated with your data, uploaded to your powerbi.com for fully automated live Xero consolidation numbers. So it doesn't really matter which one. At the end of the day, we'll show you once you connect to your database, as long as the data has been synced, which will happen automatically during your setup process, things should be good. So first things first, you want to download what's called a PBIT. So that is quite simply a Power BI template. And then because I think I'm cool in coffee shops, I run on a Mac, but unfortunately Power BI Desktop, which is a free download, only runs on Windows. This is just for creating columns, relationships, etc., connecting to your data, etc. That's what you need Power BI Desktop for. Once you publish it up to your powerbi.com, 90% of the functionality is available online in powerbi.com in terms of editing reports, creating new reports, using the data, visuals, all the rest of it. So yeah, then obviously because it's in a browser, you can run it on a Mac or whatever. Right, so here's the first step. It says please enter your server and database name. You can find these in the platform. So if you come along to the database tab and we copy across first the server name. Now I've got to remember to go Command C and Control V. For my old brain, that is sometimes a challenge, but it looks like we're succeeding. And we hit load. Right. So what it's doing now is it is pulling down a few of the profit and loss views specifically for these reports that we would have automatically created for you. And now, as quick as that, you have the profit and loss template set up. Let me try and center this a little bit more for you, against your data. So now you have the ability, if you wanted to go and change visuals, add new sheets, do whatever you wanted, etc. You can go and connect to your database to pull in more data, whether it's more Xero or another system, etc. And of course you can go and change any of these wonderful measures, etc. that have been set up for you in this template. But now that we've got this, say we are ready to publish to our powerbi.com, you log in with your powerbi.com account and simply hit publish. First, we need to save it as a report, as it has kindly reminded me. So if we call this, Xero Console, P&L, test demo, something meaningful report.pbix. Now you'll see that it's saving this PBIT as a PBIX. So what you can do is take that PBIX, put it like in OneDrive or wherever you store some secure documents, etc., and that becomes your local report version. Because I've clicked publish, it's automatically said, hey, do you want to go and publish to a particular workspace? We won't touch workspaces on here in this section or demo, but basically it means that you can publish it into different areas, etc., depending usually how you want to share it and all the rest of it. So I'm just going to pause this now. Alright, so I've basically just clicked on that, open this report, gone into my powerbi.com, and there we have our report. Now, just a little thing here, bear in mind I've previously connected my report and my database inside powerbi.com many times before. You probably haven't. So just once, and the very first time, we need to do the following. So first we want to view the semantic model, which is the new word for data set. And from there, we want to go into the settings of the data set. Now, under data source credentials, it's going to have this stuff, and basically what you need to do is just put the username and password from the platform here into your data source credentials, and then you will see that it's connected here. Your refresh, for example, you can set it to daily. You can add more times depending on how many times your Xero dataset is getting updated by the wonderful DataSights service. So please get in touch so we can find the optimal option for yourself based on whether you're a finance team that's making lots of adjustments in Xero and just need to sync certain entities to get data in, or if you've got full-on Power BI dashboards running and you need them as real-time as possible. Please get in touch. There's multiple ways to optimize, etc. But in a nutshell, that is what we have. The template is basically very easy to download, super easy to connect to your database, super easy to publish up to powerbi.com. You've got to set those data source credentials just the once, and from that point onwards, you now have real-time, live, interactive Power BI reports ready to share with whomever you want. Alright, thank you so much. As always, any questions, anytime, email, raise a ticket, hop onto chat, phone call, pigeon carrier, we'll hop onto your query or concern or struggle or request straight away. Thank you very much. Cheers, bye.